What if I tell you that a simple tip can increase the student engagement and the impact of training by 30%? Would you believe me? Well, research has shown that if an immediate manager gets involved in a training of the employee, the impact of training increases by 30%. So we have this 4-0-4 model which we teach all our clients. Basically, a manager takes 4 minutes before the training of the employee starts and explain him or her what are the goals of the training, why the manager is sending him to that training, what are the skills, competencies or knowledge the manager wants the employee to get. So having this 4-minute discussion helps. And then 0. So 0 stands for uninterrupted training. This is the time when your employee goes into a classroom to take the face-to-face training, or on a Zoom call for virtual training, or sits in front of his computer or her computer to take the self-paced e-learning module. Whatever it is, give them uninterrupted time. That's what the 0 stands for. And the next is 4. So once the training is over, the manager should spend about 4 minutes with the employee to understand what he learned and how he can apply what he learned into his day-to-day job. So by spending 4 minutes in the beginning and a 4-minute end, total about 8 minutes or so, you're able to increase the impact of training by 30%. This is why managers are so crucial in the employee development.